some of us, we have realized that I am saved, I'm not going to go to hell. You may go to hell. If you fail to run with him once he draw you, it is where he is that he save for you. Salvation is intense. Past, present, future. If you only experience salvation in the past and you don't experience in the present, there is no guarantee of the future. Somebody who couldn't cross over from 2024 to 2025, he died. Can he run in 2025? So why you are optimistic about 2025 and about your dream is because you have crossed over. Those who have gone, that's the end. So it is the salvation in the present that actually validate the salvation of the past and also guarantee the salvation of the future. Do you get that now? The present validates the past and guarantees that of tomorrow.